Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on feeding my puppies. What you'll need is, well actually, hold on. So I have the one with me right now. I'm not going to bring the other one here right now because she's doing stuff with her mama. And so this little one, nails keep getting caught. So you'll need a bottle. If you want to feed in cold water, you can. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. With an actual baby bottle. So you just act like it's a nipple and they like it. And then you have to give it a while because they have small mouths. Do you want any? Okay. Oh, I know he's not on new food. We'll try food. So we have like this type of food. They're done off eating. They're done off eating. Easy. Stop it. Sorry about that. I told her make sure she's okay, and they're not allowed to eat off her because they have teeth now, and they'll give her an infection. So yeah. So you just warm up a little bit of food that your other dogs eat. You don't warm it up. You put water on it, and you make it soggy for wait for couple minutes. That way it's more soft for their teeth, and then you could use whatever. I'm using this gravy train. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's called puppy food too. Yeah. So it looks like that inside. Grab a spoon, and then you could just lay that right on the top and just mush it, and you can see that that's what I'm doing. Just mushing it like that. It does look nasty. I know that right there is part of it. It's like beans that is in there. Oh yeah, I need to do it better. Gravy train. I recommend this for you guys. So yeah, if you guys like this, so yeah, I need to mush this up really quick for them. Even the food, actual food, you mash up too. But before you put this on, you have to make sure it's closed. Actually, you don't have to save it, throw it away. You could just put it right in the refrigerator because it would still be good. But you need to make sure the food's all nice and soft before you put this on. So you could actually add some more water to make it a little more less thick. And I just like bringing it to the side because there's how small they are. They can't go in they don't want to. They shouldn't go in the plate. So you just blow it up kind of like in a ball. And then you can set the spoon aside. And then I'm gonna sorry about that, but I'm going to bring the food straight into the living room for the babies. And you'll see if they want to eat or not. So, yes. He wants to play right now, but she wants to eat, looks like. Honey, there's food if you want some. You see your sister's eating it? Yeah, your sister's eating it. Want some food?
9 Eastern from Lubbock. National Signing Day in
So they actually do like it. It's pretty good, I think.
Chicago.
Well, I never really had it before.
Welcome in
Hold
to
on.
National Signing Day.
I'm gonna actually.
Very tired. Tom Lugerville, National Recruiting Director.
I got a little left in the tank.
We had 11 hours of coverage of these next 97.
Looks like a little boy.
Today, as a top 10 class, moving up with a handful of ESPN 300 prospects signing on with Alabama. Yeah, and they lose out on Trayvon Mullen, an in-state kid who decides to go to
I'm gonna
Clemson, but at the
actually
end of
bring
the
the
day, it
plate
didn't
over
matter.
here.
They
That way you all can see. Come here now.
Carlos Becker
Okay,
at the
hon.
corner spot.
There's
was
some
a
work
guy
right
they
there if
wanted
you need
all
some, okay?
along. His farm manual
How about
decommits from
you,
Florida,
Missy?
ends up
Fred, you
signing
want some? Do you
with
want some?
Florida State.
Huh?
So
No,
there's
no,
some
no.
fell the Seminoles' way
Here.
to have a magnificent class, one that maybe exceeded expectation on this
Come here, baby.
particular day.
Don't be afraid
Class is
to eat
strong
some with your
coming in,
brother.
but really some nice additions to close it out.
8th consecutive
Here.
season that Jimbo Fisher has put together the #1 class in the Atlantic Coast Conference. Let's go to the SEC
Here.
and Alabama.
Okay, go do whatever you want to do. Don't- don't step in it now. Now, if that just in case that happens, grab Kleenex and wipe their paw. Shouldn't be that bad.
This
one's a little hungry. My next video is going to be them playing, actually, just like playing, actually. But you can tell that he's just a little small brown one, and she's just a little black one. I mean, wait.
Carter was another addition. Maybe one of the things that we hadn't seen from Alabama the last couple of years was
Girl,
the kid
if
came
you
in
don't
today
get
in
off
that
of my
1, 2, 3,
sweater.
4 spot. Came in today at 10, and then
Ah,
with a lot of guys left on the board, like Ben Davis. So you lose a Reggie
Love you, honey.
and some misses at
Hold
Denzel
on,
Duval
hold on, I'll be right
at the
back.
spot. So you've got to replace him immediately. Ben Davis fits not only the mold of what you want from a mentality, but a mold in terms of the talent base you want at the middle linebacker spot.
And we saw LSU start the day as the #1 class. They won't finish as the #1 class, but entered the day
Okay,
with 19 commits
I love
from
him
the
out.
ESPN 300. They lose one, they gain one, still at 19 commits from the 300.
And secure the state. Those state players.
While they're eating, we're gonna go through some Valentine's because it's getting closer to Valentine's. So, because we have this whole entire jar. My house is clean. This whole entire jar. So this one says, "Dear ya."
That was the #1 class heading into
And this
National
one
Signing Day. The #1 player from wire to wire in our ESPN rankings was Sean Gary out of Travis Catholic High School in New Jersey. Michigan River has a pipeline from the state of New Jersey working 5 of the top
That little girl.
signed with Jim Harbaugh and Michigan.
Stupid.
The impact of
Stupid.
that and this class for Jim Harbaugh.
Lead position.
Eat the food. No, look at her.
Produce to the level of his exposure.
Daisy, come here. Come here, Daisy. Come here. Daisy. She is literally just trying to run with her mom.
I might have been a little surprised
Stop.
in the day from Michigan, from Villanova High School.
No. Hey, be quiet. Honey, you done eating? You done eating? Okay.
Texas Longhorns, they start outside.
No eating no more. So yeah. We're starting to sleep in that little cage now. We're gonna get used to it. You just little stickers. I love you, though. I love you. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. My next video is going to be me doing
Okay, and here is a look
Hold
at
on.
the recruiting classes.
Come with me, because you just don't want to sit down. My next video is going to be
in that case, Florida State
with them playing. So yeah. Please like. Don't be sad. Bye.
They finished the day with